Hey guys, Christmas came early today. Mailman brought me a package. I won the 200 subscriber giveaway from John at A&J Outdoors on YouTube. He's almost to 300 subscribers now. If you would, I'll put the link to his channel in the description. Go check him out. Leave him a comment on his last video. Tell him you're coming over from me. Let's see what I got. Oh, a whole box of stuff. Some minnow hooks or worm hooks, either one. Some more hooks, awesome. Some swivels. I'm guessing those are like some Zinco worms. Some nice offset shank worm hooks. Nice spinner bait. Alright, an A&J Outdoors sticker. Now John does a lot of fishing, some deer hunting, some reviews, some cooking, some more worm hooks. Sweet. Nice spinner bait. Another spinner bait. Barrel swivels. Dang, John. It's a lot of stuff. Appreciate it, man. Rattle trap. 1/0 hooks. That's the ones I actually use. Hope you can see all this stuff. Black and chartreuse power bait worms. Swim Cincos. Some more worms. Some crawfish, maybe, craws. Some pumpkin seed worms. Some more pumpkin seed. There's two different colors. I don't think I've ever used pumpkin seed. Another spinner bait. Some slip bobbers. Some 10-pound Power Pro made in the USA. Some Trilene Berkeley 6-pound made in the USA. And a Rebel Popper. Wow. Thank you so much, John. I hope you get some new supporters. If you haven't checked out John at A&J Outdoors channel, please go over. I'm going to put the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up for John. Leave me a comment and have a great day.